Hey guys, Zimo here, and right now, when this video goes live, the node set for 0xVM on Bitcoin, the fastest modular execution layer for Bitcoin, the layer 2, should be live as well, and a single node goes for $700 right now. They have a total supply of 50,000 nodes. After the first 10,000 are sold, the price is up by $1 for every additional 10 that are being sold. Which means right now is not just the cheapest time you can ever buy them, but also where you get the most amount of tokens, as the daily rewards for the daily amount of tokens that are emitted to people that have a node and operate that gets reduced by 50% every 180 days. As an EVM-compatible execution layer for Bitcoin, it empowers the network with Turing-complete smart contract functionality, unlocking a new frontier of programmable financial applications and decentralized computation. It is the trustless verification layer for Bitcoin Layer 2s, which enables direct validation of data on the Bitcoin blockchain. So you can activate the Bitcoin ecosystem with a secure, scalable, cost-efficient way. And all of that plays together in this graphic over here, so you can see step by step on how everything in here operates. The CEO behind it used to work with an investment company, I think, called Antler Asia VC. Their co-founder used to work with Kaplan, Nvidia, had fundraisers for Bitcoin mining, crypto market making, and more. And they have some big names when it comes to investors, including Jump, a leading trading firm in Web3, Razer, good guys that make all the gaming peripherals, laptops, and more. One of Singapore's top banking institutions called UOB, and more shown down here. We also see some of the ecosystems that they are working with and additional news that got released not too long ago, leading up until the node sale now. At the same time, they also have something called Scribbled, which is their limited edition Genesis collection. It helps you to also earn some of the tokens. You can play and earn now, upgrade, complete quests, invite friends, and rise to the top in the ultimate crypto earning game, which gives us additional ways to earn the token outside of just buying a node. Now, after you purchase a node, in your dashboard section, there's going to be a big button that says Delegate. Within a couple hours or so, your node will run, and your token rewards are going to count up. As you can see, your daily token rewards, not just every 24 hours, but pretty much minute by minute or so. So you can see exactly how much you earned. They also have a detailed white paper and documents page that tells you exactly their vision, how they go with efficient scaling, and the reasons why they built this in the first place. And most importantly for us, when it comes to the amount of tokens that are emitted on this schedule, after the first 180 days, the 700,000 daily XVM token rewards will be cut in half to 350,000, then 175,000, and so on and so forth. Or they also show this image over here when it comes to the reward simulation per node, depending on how many have been sold, whether it's 100 active nodes or 5,000 or 10,000, and how many months passed since then. We can make a random educated wish on how many tokens you will get and how much they're going to be worth at launch. But with the goal to have the token generative event, the TGE, at the end of September or beginning of October, and the listing around October, as well as the confirmed token launch for their IDO with Ape Terminal and Seedify, and $5 million in raised funds from top-tier VCs. This can definitely go to the $100 million range, if not beyond, when it comes to market cap. That means with 1 billion tokens of total supply, at $100 million market cap, one token would be worth 10 cents. But then again, we don't know the fully diluted valuation, we don't know how many tokens are in total supply. This one is after 4 years or 48 months. So even at $25 million market cap with only a quarter of the tokens in supply after, let's say, 6 or 7 months, if you get around 7,000 tokens, you probably make your money back, get your return on investment, and then start making profit, which will be pure passive income. If you're interested in learning more, links to everything mentioned down below. They have some known names of the industry supporting and backing this, and I think this is going to go well over time. Let me know how it goes and how many nodes you bought, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.